In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert pictures and screenshots into an email using Outlook. Let's launch the Outlook app. In the menu bar, click on New Email. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the menu bar, click on Pictures. In the drop-down, you get 3 options to insert pictures from. One is from your computer, which you saved before. The second one is for the stock image from Microsoft. And the third one is for online photos. Let's see the device photos first. Select your picture and click on Insert. Here, my picture has been inserted. Drag the corner of the photo to resize it. Now let's see the stock images. In the Stock Images section, you get many choices from here. You can select icons, cutout people, stickers, illustrations, and cartoon people. You can also search for something if you like. Let's search for a tiger, for example. From the results, select your picture and click on Insert. Just like before, you can drag the corners to resize the picture. Now let's see the online pictures. In the online pictures, you get many categories. You can also search for something. Here, you get a useful option of Creative Commons. If you turn this on, your search result will be the pictures which are copyright-free. Just like before, select a picture and click on Insert. Here, you can see that the picture is added. You can also add screenshots to your email. In the menu bar, click on Screenshot. In the drop-down, click on Screen Clipping. Now you can take a screenshot of your Outlook home.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.